with some toys, not video games. You can do fun stuff with toys, not play video games all summer.
Well, I'm gonna put that toy unicorn after this video.
Find it! You don't know how cool toys are. I bet I can put this toy bird in my nose.
Fine, I'm gonna go get a toy.
Okay, I'm just gonna take out this red
Toy
bird.
phone.
Okay, I'm just gonna take out the bird out of my nose. Look. Wait. It's stuck in my nose. It's stuck.
Okay,
It's stuck. Get it out.
Belt.
No. Oh, that didn't work. Oh. Oh. Shoot, yes. No. Ow.
You do it.
Okay. Ow. I just made a push-up even further. Hit me, Mr. Potato Head. Mr. Potato Head never lies. Ow. You're no good. Okay, I'm going to try to shoot again. I'm going to try to hit it super harder, Penny. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ow! It's out!
Oh my God.
It's out! Hey, come here.
Wait a minute, this is a real phone. I'm gonna call Batman on you.
No. Before we do that, can I tell you something? Do you want to do something cool? I'm going to put the fist that was in my nose in your mouth. Hello, everybody. And if you're wondering what that noise is, it's Penny's new AC thing. Yeah, so anyways, guys, if you're new to this channel, subscribe now. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of our uploads. Yep. Okay, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of our uploads. And like this video. What did you do? Okay, like this video, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later, Skitters.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.